favourite part was when baby crab was confident going in the sea. My favourite part was when big crab and little crab were holding hands together.
Hold the fear and do it. Never back down. Don't let your fears overtake you.
So first I would ask them why they're scared about it and what they're scared about. Then somehow, in some way, I would help them get over that fear, whatever it is.
And if it's like being scared of the dark or scared of being alone, I would say to them they're never alone and they would always have people by their side.
You should never be scared and face your fears, because if you be scared, it will affect you throughout your life.
Good.
Advice I would give to someone who's scared is that you have to believe in yourself and face your fears, because other people believe in you. You have to have faith in yourself to overcome your fears.
Adventurous. Never give up on your dreams. Overcome your fears. Be creative. Try something new. Go on an adventure. You never know what you could do. If you're scared, ask help from a friend, because once you're started, the fun will never end. Never give up. Believe in yourself. And if you don't like it, then try something else. So now you can see how fun life can be when you take lots of risks and show creativity.
book because Little Crab took a chance just like Charlie in the Chocolate Factory when Charlie took a chance and got a golden ticket.
I recommend the book Don't Worry Little Crab because it's very encouraging and it's telling people to face their fears. And I also recommend The Lion, the Witch and the Wardrobe because Lucy was very frightened to go but then she had a magical adventure.